That's the ultimate fucking...
Yeah, because you're shouting. You're always shouting.
Ellen, pwedeng man...
You always raise your
always
voice.
Shouting. I'm always shouting.
You don't have to
Jess, alam
raise...
ikaw na ba ako dito sa pamahay na to?
Tumag, Jess.
Napakamanhid mo. Pati putang ina, ito na, sa'yo na to, putang ina. Ha, pare?
Diba, I told you I was quiet because why was she so worried about the things when the house is
Maybe
falling
because
off?
that means something
Oh,
to
babe,
her.
okay.
Kasi ang problema sa'yo, everything is an object that can be
Okay.
replaced. So sabihin mo sa akin, pareho kami? Sabihin mo, tingnan mo mangyayari dito. Sabihin mo! Hindi mo masabi. I wish you could look at yourself in the mirror and see how you are. You're too cool. You're the shit. Ano ba ng mga boss mo? Puta, puro ka pasisira sa akin. Grabe, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ang taong mahal mo, walang magsabing maganda tungkol sa'yo. Pareho pala kami. Bakit mo ako pinakasalan? Putang ina.